Question 25 has asked students to justify the use of recovery strategies. This question was worth 7 marks. Some parts of this question, again, we'll be looking at justify the use of recovery strategies. So that's all we're asking students to do is to justify. All right. In order to justify, they need to come up with some conclusion, and hopefully their conclusion or some statement that recovery strategies are useful for improving performance. That's justifying the use of recovery strategies by coming up with some form of conclusion supporting argument in favour of recovery strategies. If we're going to have a look at our syllabus, what we'll notice here, recovery strategies, and we have 4 mentioned: physiological strategies, neural strategies, tissue damage strategies, psychological strategies, with some examples that go and relate with each. Okay, so that's where our questions come from here, looking at recovery strategies. Just have a look at this question that's been, or this answer that's been supplied here. This is a very, very good answer. Again, if we go through our 4 areas of the dot point, first things that we'll notice in this answer here is that we have physiological strategies with some examples that go with it, talking about hydration and cool down, which is as per our syllabus here. The next one, as we go further down, we have neural strategies. Okay, again, straight from the syllabus, and some of the key aspects of the syllabus, so the examples given would be hydration. That's what's been included here to go with neural strategies. We go further down, we start to notice things such as tissue damage, third part of the syllabus, tissue damage relating to cryotherapy, which is an example that's given from the syllabus. And our 4th area here that we need to remember from our syllabus is the psychological strategies. All right, and we talk about things such as relaxation, which is even underlined. The setting out's very, very good in this. All right, and it's an outstanding answer. The other part about this answer too is as he's gone through it, he's been able to come up with some form of supporting the use of these 4 mentioned recovery strategies to support the use of them to improve someone's performance. So again, a very, very good answer. Well done. Number of examples given to support it. Well set out. Again, quite clearly, we can see by the, I've gone through and circled and moved, and you can see the different amounts of red underlining that's gone through it, especially for the 4 areas, which makes them stand out very well. Okay, and with examples for each to go with it, which is outstanding. And the examples have come straight from the syllabus, again, showing the level of content knowledge of the student. The key aspect or issue that I had with this question for students was that some students were unable to justify, again, the use of the key word, unable to come up with some form of a conclusion or supporting argument for the use of recovery strategies. Also, I need to point out here that the syllabus knowledge of the students, looking at the 4 areas for recovery strategies, physiological, neural, tissue damage, and psychological, was very, very good. It was outstanding by, if not everybody, but most students. Being able to include these 4 areas, set them out clearly, showing to the marker that they've got a good understanding of what they're doing. The issue again was that they were unable to justify.